Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check notifications in App Store. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to check the notifications in the App Store, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to the App Store and see that there are no notifications in the upper right corner near your icon. Let's check if they are enabled. Go to settings and scroll down. Select the App Store, then click notifications, and as you can see here you can select the notifications that you want to receive from the App Store. I have everything turned on, but notifications still do not come. We go back, scroll down, and as you can see I have automatic application updates enabled. That is why notifications do not come, because updates are automatically installed on the phone. If you want to receive separate notifications, then turn off this function and notifications will appear. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.